What is the perfect setup? Something that feels attainable yet is never perfect. I myself am an obsessed compulsive individual who always is trying to find that perfect setup, which leads me endlessly back to the same conclusion. I'm just kind of a psycho and like change. But this time, maybe it's different. I don't even have 3 months to live in this place yet I bought another desk. Which means more cable management, rethinking everything, and sparking just a little bit more creativity with a little more change. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm obviously filming this before all of this happened, so don't worry about this. It has been quite some time since I posted some YouTube videos. I'm trying to make 2025 the year for it, baby. I'm back! Needless to say, the start of the year, I decided to redo my room, even though I'm gonna move in like 4 months, so it's completely pointless, but it's fun and I enjoy it. So hopefully you will enjoy it and you can take some inspiration to your own setups. Without further ado, let's go back to December 31st, 2024. Oh baby, it's time. We're back! We actually never started, but I've been meaning to do this for a long time. What we got here is my room. My studio, and ironically, I'm moving in like 4 or 5 months anyway, but we're gonna switch it up a little bit and see if we can make this work. I was actually watching YouTube videos like I normally do of people set up to get inspiration and stuff like that, and I came across a video that had just been posted, and he had this L-shaped desk that was like executive style, which sounds fancy, and it just looked super cozy. So I was like, I'm gonna try that out because I have a 2 PC setup, even though it's a MacBook and a PC, so I could put MacBook on one side, PC on the other, just kind of have this hybrid ultimate setup that I think would work really well. So I bought that desk. So the ultimate challenge is taking all of this crap out and switching it out with my new desk, cable management, because I'm an OCD freak, and then tear it down in 4 months and redo it all over again. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, let's undo some cables. Oh, what a shot this is. All right, freaking cables galore, man. It's taken me 15 minutes to just take the Velcro off this. All right, well, see y'all in 2027. Desk is out, cables, cabling. All right, this is my favorite part. We got all the crap out of here. It's freaking New Year's Eve, baby. Party of one tonight, baby. What are we gonna put on YouTube? New day, new year, baby. We finally got this thing put together. We just need to do the outer walls. God bless America! How are we feeling here? Do we like it in this corner? Oh God. All right, that's just where it's gonna live because I am not moving it on this rug again. 3 days later, and we finally got this guy put in here. Got the desk shelf on it, got the shell, got the little accessory cabinet thing back there that I'm gonna put the PC on. This is a big boy for a little room. I like to feel cozy, so the monitors barely fit on the desk riser. 5-inch speakers on the desk riser, 32-inch monitor that I'm gonna use for editing, work, that sort of stuff. That's gonna be like right here in front of me. Woo! We're getting there. I don't even know what day it is anymore. Today is now the 5th, and it's looking quite nice. Let's see, what day is it? It has taken 18 days since the start of this video. 18 days to put together this desk and cable manage. All of this shouldn't have taken this long to do, but let's be honest, I'm very meticulous with cables and putting things together and having them just be the right way. Without further ado, let's hit that cinematic B-roll, baby. Yeah! Wait. Before that, please like the video and comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe if you're new. Also, before you go, let me know if you want to see an in-depth tour of the room. Here's the cinematic B-roll. That's right, I'm still here. These videos are so fun to make. I am really hoping to make 2025 the start of my YouTube journey. All right, later.